Okay, so I just wanted to run you through what it looks like to complete a project with Magic Boards. This is a software that is designed to complete projects, and so you track them and get them done and move them out of this active area. You can see here, this is the overall view of most of the things we've got going on in Bhakti Artsu at the moment. The launch, which is an overview of all of these, and then we've got some pixel problems with Meta. We're just waiting for them to get back. And then finally, the 3 parts here for a new funnel that we're launching. This is essentially an opt-in to a thank you page with a sales page on it, and we're building that out. Then once that's built, we've got email and also Facebook ads to go into that. But let's jump in and just have a look at this ad offer funnel. As soon as we log in, we can see at the top our processes, and you see that the overview's done, the copy's been done. I edited the copy, found the images. Genevieve went through on the second pass and cleaned it all up. And so quick overview, we can immediately see where we're up to, and then Janu is up to going to build these out, split them, insert the emails, put in true conversion. So that's all our SOPs at the top. And as we come down to the results, what I want you to catch is not so much this area here, which is the main one here is this super doc, which is a Google document that has all of the pages in it. Jana and I met yesterday and we went through and just tidied it up a little bit. There's a couple limitations on the software that we use that I had forgotten about, and we tidied that up. But basically you can see we've got the offer for the lead magnet, we've got the offer for the sales page, and then coming into the opt-in page, down into the checkout page for the opt-in, and then into the thank you page. That is also a sales page. Then there's another opt-in for the checkout, or sorry, not an opt-in, but a checkout. And finally, this is all the sales page. So a long form sales page, going down. The thank you page if they buy. And then finally, we've got a couple of email funnels here. So one is if they don't buy, they get this sequence. And then if they do buy, they get, where is it here? The second one here. So once they buy, they get pulled out of that first one and put into this one. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here. You can see that this is somewhere around the 33 pages long. And you're like, oh my goodness, why do you do it like that? Well, we do it like this so that all of the copy is consistent, that when we made changes, that there are other places. Does the email need to change? Does the opt-in page need to change? So nonetheless, we've been through this, edited it, it's all looking really good. And then what's going to happen in terms of this production, the first one is we're going to split the copy, then build the pages, create the emails, and install true conversion. Essentially, what I want you to see down here is that this page and emails haven't been filled out by Janu yet, but as we come back and watch him go to work, I want you to see how that we set this up in order to get really fast and effective production. So I'm going to pause this. We're currently at 12:28 on Wednesday the 2nd, and we'll once this is up and running, I'll bring it back and we'll have a look at that again. So I'm just going to pause this here for now, and stick around for seeing how to very quickly produce pages and emails. Okay, so we're now at 9:38, and let's just have a quick look at where we're up to. So Janu's on split copy and presumably on building pages as well. Hasn't marked that yet, but that's cool. What I want you to catch is now seeing this layout where we've got one result group for opt-in page, and we've got the opt-in page copy. Now this is just a split out of the big one. Let's go all the way up to the top. And we've got our opt-in page here. What is the URL? And what we're going to see here, what's the URL? Just the opt-in though. And that's all. Call to action goes there. But then we've got the back end and the front end, and that's getting built out. Move down to the checkout page for the free course. Once again, we've just got this split here where we haven't got everything, but just the data that's required for the checkout page. Then into the thank you page, it's the sales page. So it's acting as two. Once again, the split. Once again, the split. once again, the split for if they do take the one-time offer, and then their 2 email sequences. So this very clean layout as we evolve from the SuperDoc that has all of this, then into the splits, the opt-in page, the checkout page, first one, the thank you page with the sales page, checkout page, second one, and then the thank you page for the paid course with the 2 email sequences, all really neatly laid out. And this will mean that as we go along, we actually can easily check the back end, check the front end, make sure everything's working. It's really easy. This is the most effective way that I've found to lay out building of pages, and I hope you give it a go. If you haven't attempted to do something like this, it's very easy to get confused. So the 2 steps, basically build the copy into one giant SuperDoc and edit that, and then once it's finalized, then split it up for the building. So I hope that's been of help. If you want some help, head over to magicboards.io.